Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the latest lip balm from DIOR. This is the color reviving lip balm in delicate pink shade 001. This is the new Revamped formula with 97% natural ingredients infused with cherry oil and shea butter and shades to suit all skin tones. The packaging was also revamped with the big logo across the case to follow other products from the beauty range. DIOR Lip Glow is multi-use. It can be worn on its own as a lip balm or as a primer under lipstick. Great news for those who don't enjoy the usual minty scent. This one is more on the subtle cherry side, which makes it more enjoyable to wear. Thanks to its color reviver technology, the lip balm reacts with the moisture level of the lips to reveal a custom color and a subtle shine. Lips are fresh, enhanced with the natural and subtle rosy glow. The lip balm is perfect for natural looks or just those days when you don't feel like applying lip color but still wanting to ensure your lips are presentable and looked after. I must admit, I like the revamped version much more than the previous one, and I recommend anyone interested to give it a chance and let me know their thoughts in the comment section down below. I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, and now we'll see you in the next one.